But in order for a garden to be successful, there are certain concepts that we really want to master. And once you master these concepts, then your garden can be easy, fun, and very productive. So the concept I want to talk about today is earwigs, otherwise known as pincher bugs. That's what we called them when we were kids. And these mean little beetle-like bugs have pinchers on their rears that will, they'll grab your finger and not let go. They'll eat your lettuce, the corn silks, they'll eat your flowers. They're fairly destructive to the garden. So to eliminate earwigs, there are several methods because we want to do this naturally. The first one is earwig traps. So earwigs like dark, tight places to hide during the day. So lay some corrugated cardboard out in the garden where you've had earwig damage. And the earwigs are going to climb into the cardboard and hide during the day, and then you can collect up the cardboard and dispose of it with the earwigs. Number 2 is diatomaceous earth. So diatomaceous earth is a ground up fossilized seashell, and the diatomaceous earth, it works its way into the joints of the earwigs, and that causes them to dehydrate and die. So that's another good way. A third way is a garlic oil spray. So you use this for aphids, cabbage loopers, earwigs, June bugs, leaf hoppers, squash bugs, and white flies. So what you want to do is mince 1 bulb of garlic, soak it in 2 teaspoons of mineral oil for 24 hours. Next, you're going to mix 1 pint of water with a tablespoon of liquid soap, and then add that to the garlic mixture and the water. You want to mix all this thoroughly, then you're going to strain out the garlic, and then you can put this in a jar for storage. And then when you want to go to use it, use 1 to 2 tablespoons of the garlic oil mixed to 2 cups of water, and you can spray that on the plants, and that will help with the earwigs. And number 4 is Sluggo Plus. This is an organic listed product that has iron phosphate and spinosad as the active ingredients, and it's effective on earwigs. It comes in little pellets, so you just sprinkle that around on the garden. For control, we're using it about once a week in this garden. So if you'd like to learn other ways to control pests in your garden, you can get our homemade and organic pest control ebook, and you can get the ebook for free when you sponsor the show. So we give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide to anyone who sponsors the show at the $8.50 level. And the money that we raise from the sponsorship goes to keeping the show free to everyone around the world. And I feel that everyone should have access to learning how to grow food for themselves and their families. And by sponsoring the show, you're really being a part of keeping this education free and feeding people around the world. So if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and the garden concepts that lead to success, you can get more information on our website, thelivingfarm.org, and there's more articles, videos, and eCourses that can help you on your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.